good morning, baby. It's your boy Ollie. We back in the kitchen again. They're getting crazy in there. You know what the fuck going on? It's quesadillas again, baby. Doing up right.
You feel me, motherfuckers? That's how we fucking do it. This is how we whip, motherfucker, whip!
Woo! Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Ollie here with another dab. Yeah, dipped in that THC egg crystals. You know how we do it. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hey, listen, I want to tell you something. The dab's not good unless it get you sweating, baby. That's how you know it's a good one. Yo, we in Rouse getting stuff to make some pizza for the hippie hideout, you know? And we had to stack up on some cheese of a kind, cause you know we be token steady. Oh, we in this bitch. It's pizza night, baby. This is 1 of 4. Get ready.
This is what we call homemade pizza by the BB face killer. By the pizza face killer.
Pizza face killer. The pizza face killer. You know who that is. Then we got pizza numero dos up in this bitch. Oh. And don't forget about the cheese and meat plates, baby. Yo, we going in. Do it big, never little, baby.